In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Make.com scenarios for automating your Shopify store. This process will help you streamline a variety of tasks by setting up a seamless connection between Shopify and other applications you use daily. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open up your Make.com dashboard. Once you're there, initiate the process by selecting the option to create a new scenario. This selection brings up the Visual Automation Builder, a useful tool for crafting custom automation workflows. Here, you'll be able to visualize and design the path of your automation step by step. Next, it's time to pinpoint the Shopify module that best suits your needs. Start by clicking on the plus button in the Visual Automation Builder interface. This action will allow you to search for Shopify among the available modules. You'll be presented with various trigger options, such as watch orders, watch products, watch customers, and watch events. For instance, if you choose Shopify's watch orders trigger, your automation will kick off each time a new order is created in your Shopify store. After selecting your desired trigger, the next step is connecting Shopify to Make.com. To do this, click on Add Connection. You'll need to enter your Shopify store's URL or subdomain alongside your Shopify login permissions. For example, you would input something akin to your store.myshopify.com. After you've provided the necessary details, approve the access in Shopify, allowing Make.com to read and send data from your store, which is essential for the automation process. Now that your connection is set, it's time to introduce action modules into your scenario, which determine what happens once your trigger is activated. Make.com offers a wealth of possibilities with popular modules like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Airtable, OpenAI, Notion, and Discord, among others. As an example, consider a workflow where a new order from Shopify leads to an entry being made in Google Sheets, followed by a notification sent on Slack. This chain of events automates communication and data logging, saving you time and hassle. Once your modules are arranged, it's crucial to configure the data mapping. This step involves matching Shopify fields with fields in the other integrated apps. A practical example includes mapping the customer's name, order ID, total price, and product title. For instance, you could set up a Slack message that says new Shopify order from customer name with an order total of total price. Finally, it's important to test your scenario to ensure everything runs smoothly. Simply click on Run Once and create a test order within your Shopify store. This action allows Make.com to process the workflow instantly. If everything is set correctly, you'll see green check marks across your modules, indicating your automation is functioning as intended. And there you have it, a complete guide to activating Make.com scenarios for Shopify automation that can significantly enhance your e-commerce operations.